Florent Eustace. I'm the head of Beyond Banking at Belfius Bank, which means that, I'm in charge of all activities Belfius does and wants to do in the future that relate to non-banking and non-insurance businesses. Maybe a few words on Belfius. So Belfius is one of the leading financial institutions in Belgium, both in banking and in insurance. It's important to know that Belfius was massively hit back in 2008 by the financial crisis. And we have seen that as an opportunity to reinvent ourselves and to really put the customer at the center of our priorities. And very concretely, two very important elements. Thanks to that, we were the first, or one of the first, financial institutions to realize the importance of mobile in the banking relationship. And today, we are still considered by SIA partners as the best banking app in the world. A second one, thanks to that, thanks to the crisis and thanks to the fact that we took the time to reinvent ourselves, we defined a very strong purpose for Belfius, meaningful and inspiring for the Belgian society together. Meaningful, we want to have real and lasting impact for our customers and for Belfius. Inspiring, why? Because we want to support the transition to a more sustainable, and a more equal society. For the Belgian society, again, we are anchored in Belgium. Our shareholders is the Belgian state, and we are committed to the development of the country. You can see that even more clearly nowadays with the COVID crisis. We are really behind our country. We are really supporting our country, Belgian companies. We keep providing credits and so on. Together, why? Because on the one end, we are convinced, and we are truly convinced, that every single employee within Belfius is important, and that we need to work transversally, but also together, because we are convinced that alone Belfius cannot be truly meaningfully inspiring. We need to find strong partners to help us. And that's especially true in Beyond Banking, and Carpe Diem is such a partner. Beyond Banking at Belfius started about 3 years ago. After having done, among others, a few growth mindset trips in locations such as the Silicon Valley, Singapore, China, we realized that if we don't go beyond our core products, and if we don't partners with strong partners, we will likely struggle in the next 10 years. The world of tomorrow is a world of partnership and cross-industry activities. So very concretely, we then took the time to reflect on what does Beyond mean for Belfius? What do we want to achieve as Belfius in Beyond Banking? And we came up with 3 main rationale behind our Beyond strategy. The first one is to strengthen and protect our core business. So our financial and banking, our financial and insurance business. So what do I mean by that? I mean, we all know that banking and insurance products and services are secondary needs for our customers. What do I mean by that? I mean that it helps fulfill primary needs. Let me give you 2 examples. The first one, if you take a mortgage, it's because you want to buy a house, not because you want a mortgage. The second one, very concrete and linked to Carpe Diem. If I pay at the gas stations, it's because I want to get fuel to move and drive my car, not because I like to pay. So we are convinced that if we don't move up the value chain and get closer to the primary needs, we will get disintermediated. That's the first one. The second one is we want to strengthen the customer relation and to get more intimate with our customers by offering them relevant and high-frequency services and use cases. Again, mobility services, fueling, public transport ticketing, those are very high-frequent services. The third one, and as important as the first 2, is we are strongly convinced that financial organization needs to diversify their revenue streams in order to, remain profitable in the future. We all know that interest income are under pressure. We also know that financial markets related income are extremely volatile. So diversifying our revenue and getting, for instance, distribution fee from partners, is a way to secure the long-term profitability of Belfius. So 3 rationale: strengthen the core, strengthen the customer intimacy, and increase and diversify revenues. From there, we started looking at, the various different Beyond domains. Beyond is very broad, and we decided to focus on 3 domains to start with. The first one is Telecom, where we sealed a very strong partnership, a 6 years exclusive partnership with Proximus in Belgium. Proximus is the leading telecom provider in the country. The second is Home. You need to know that Home is the largest revenue pool in Belgium and probably in most countries. In Belgium, households spend more than 75 billion yearly for the housing in a broad sense. And there again, we sealed a very strong partnership. We took a 30% equity stake in Imovlan, the second largest real estate platform in Belgium. And the third one is obviously mobility. Mobility, again, a very large revenue pool. And as I said earlier, lots of extremely high frequency use cases. And there we have very strong partners. We took a 30% equity stake in Skipper, the most innovative mobility as a service solution in Belgium. And as you know, we have a very strong partnership with Carpe Diem as well. So that's where we are today and beyond, and that's our strategy. So 3 domains for 3 main reasons. The domains, telco, home, and mobility, the rationale, strengthening the core, reinforcing customer intimacy, and diversify revenues. So Carpe Diem is one of the first partners we met. To be transparent, we met that partner even before we crystallized our vision. But I mean, let's be very clear, the fit with our vision and our strategic rationale is obvious, according to me. Fueling is very close to our core business. You know, we do payments on a daily basis, and fueling is the second largest use case in payments after large retailing. So that's on the core. Second, you know, our customers go not daily, but at least weekly at the gas station to fuel. So we want to be relevant for our customers, to ease their lives, to bring convenient solutions. And that's even more true today with the COVID crisis. Why? Because this mobile banking solution is a safer solution for customers. They don't need to touch the bank terminal anymore. And the third one, the very important one, the diversification of revenues. Again, we bring not only more fuel liters to fuel retailers, but we bring them closer to the customer. We give them the opportunity to interact directly with our customers, to make them commercial offers. And for that, obviously, fuel retailers are willing and even happy to pay. The collaboration with Carpe Diem has been as smooth as it can be from day one. I mean, we all know that Carpe is a small startup. Back then, it was less than 5 employees, if I recall well, while Belfius is a fairly large organization with thousands of employees. But honestly, it happens very smoothly. We've got a very strong team at the Belfius side, on the IT side, and and Carpe Diem has shown the flexibility, the agility that is required to accommodate our needs. So from day one to today, the relationship with Carpe Diem has been extremely positive and extremely successful. The customer reacted very positively to the service cardless fueling within Belfius Mobile, powered by Carpe Diem. This is also true for all the other Beyond service we launched since then. So we now have 8 services. A few elements to highlight this success, or this promising success of customer adoption. The first one is nowadays we have over 180,000 customers that enrolled for at least one of our services. You should know that Belfius Mobile has 1.6 million active users. So about 200,000 of them are at least one Beyond banking service. So it's 1 out of 8, which is not bad after 18 months of services, more or less. And a second element is the fact that, you know, the number of transactions, Beyond transactions, grow at double-digit rates on monthly basis. So in August, we got more than 45,000 transactions only for Beyond services, and it keeps on rising very, very rapidly. And last but not least, very important, we do survey for all the services we launch, and the customer satisfaction is extremely high for all those services, with over 90% of customers being satisfied or very satisfied, and with over 80% of customers recommending our services. This was especially true for Carpe Diem, with 96% customer satisfaction. So that's a very positive element. But let's be honest, this is only the start of a journey. The aspiration of Belfius is much broader than that. What we want is to make Beyond part of our core offering, and to really, as I said earlier, build true ecosystem and be present as of the beginning of the customer journey. I will give you an example in mobility, obviously. If we can support our customer from the moment they want to decide to move, so they can define their journey, planning their journey, they can book all the transports they need to do so, they can pay for all of those, they can unlock them if they want to take public transport of shared mobility, they can fuel and find a parking and pay for the parking if they go by car, and they can decide if they pay through their personal accounts or through their employer account if it's for business. They can expense directly. So all that's integrated in Belfius Mobile with obviously the best possible insurance coverage, not only for your vehicle, but for yourself when you drive your own car, when you drive shared vehicles, or where you are in the public transport. That's the perfect example of what we want to achieve. And such use case, there are zillions of them. And that's why we believe beyond banking is so important. So if I want to conclude, beyond banking is core for Belfius, and we see promising customer traction, but the journey is still a very long journey ahead and a very exciting one.